guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you guys. Fall season is here and I'm excited to share with you a bag review. Yes, it's a bag review because this bag isn't for me. But yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys this bag, and it's amazing because I kind of open it just to make sure that it's all good. But yeah, here it is. So this bag, you can see already the color. I was thinking that, what could you add to the color palette of other people that want to try colors on the fall season? So why not get it with this? So here is the bag. It didn't come with this box per se, but it did came in a box, but like an ordinary box, packaging box. So yeah. So here it is. It is. Ta-da! Okay, so this is a Birkin dupe, but it's in this beautiful mustard yellow. Now, mustard yellow is in right now, especially in the fall season, because a lot of people are falling in love with yellow. But in addition to it, mustard yellow has that kind of little tinge of like you spilled a bit of brown to a yellow. So here it is, and it's really nice. I already put a twilly on it just to design it a bit because I am gifting this, and it's a really nice bag. Look at that stunning color, and it has silver hardware because it kind of tones down the whole yellow, because the yellow is like, wow, it's there in your face. And yeah, look at that. So here it is. It's pretty good, and the best part of this bag is it has a strap. Yes, and it's adjustable strap. It has strap on the two sides, so it's not at the back. So this is an amazing colored bag that you can have for fall. And then inside there's just two pockets, and then of course there's a zipper pocket there. Now this pretty bag is very standard to a lot of people because it's just a simple one. Just gonna put it like that. So it's a simple kind of colored bag, but you can put it with any of your outfits, especially those who I gave advice to. That would be perfect for you guys to stay on the neutral tones and then just add bag as a pop of color. It's so easy. All white, then put this. All black, then put this. All navy blue, then you'll put this. It will pop. It will look stunning. And honestly, even if you wear like an all bright orange or orange outfit, this will look great in it because aside from the twilly, it has that kind of cohesive plain color that's just clean, not too structured as well. It's a kind of soft and beautiful, but it packs a lot, and it just adds a little more pop to your orange if ever you like orange as in a fall season. But aside from that, fall is on the white, browns, creams color, and this is so perfect as a little kind of personality to your outfit. And yeah, so this is really great. I really wanted to just share it to you guys. I will link down below where I got this from. And this one is a standard. It has 4 feet at the bottom as well. And of course you can close it with the flap here. But yeah, like I said, like in a Birkin, you carry it this way and like an open tote. And then you can just close it if you want. So the turnkey is perfect as well. This is a nice standard bag. There is also a smaller one of this, but honestly, I prefer that this will be useful already to you guys as a everyday bag for get together or pull out with your friends, or maybe on Christmas. Yes, this is a nice gift that I would recommend to everybody, and it's a nice fall color that you could add to your collection. So yeah, this bag, oh by the way, is not as pricey as you'd expect for what the look of the bag is. Now, a Birkin is very expensive, so I do tend to go to the new dupe color dupe designs because there's a lot of offers to it. Plus, I won't cry or go to a corner and then just stay there when my bag gets stolen, because honestly, here I don't think it's recommended to just easily have that kind of bag by anywhere, especially where I go. It's not really like I'm always in the car, nice and safe. So yeah, I would recommend this, and you can bring it anywhere. So yeah, I keep saying so yeah because it's I just can't believe how beautiful this bag is. Honestly, it works amazing. And now, by the way, this has actually two shops. You could get this also in Lazada, you can get this also in Shopee. But I would suggest Shopee just because, well, there's some Shopee guarantee as well. And aside from that, I did check, sometimes it's more cheaper there than the one in Lazada, but it depends. And usually in Lazada it is quicker. But yeah, I honestly have no other comments for this. It's perfect. Now I will try to source out if I can find a dupe like this that it's in yellow but gold hardware. But I'm actually okay with the silver. It kind of toned down the warmth of it, and plus with gold, it's like a all gold color. It's like too much. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and honestly, I hope that I've kind of told you about the basics of this. I don't know if the person I'm going to give this to will love it as much as I do, or would be able to use it as much as I think I would do, because I have a beige one, or like an off-white of this, and I might link the video of it down below. It is in my channel and it's stunning as well. That's the perfect, like, easiest carry bag, like everywhere, because it's white. So yeah, here it is. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Comment if you have other colors that you want me to try to find with this style of bag. And honestly, I have other suggestions with this. I did check one that's a different design, although the strap of it, the strap attachment is at the back, but I will do a comparison video of that in the future video. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.